I want to see the Smiths or Morrissey in the theme song for this episode. Just saying. Okay, today is Monday, February 19th. It's a scorcher here in Texas. That's right, it's another February day and it's like 80 degrees. We've got the AC going. That's Stefan Beardy Troll Hurdle with no beard, but some really nice chops, I was telling him earlier. Anyway, he's widening some stuff for the 6. Okay, let's go inside and see what's happening. Those guys are standing around talking about motorcycles, and Auerbach is working on the 6.
Yes.
The 6, how's it going? You're
good.
polishing your rod.
Yes.
See? How's your rod looking?
It's good. Check out my knob, though.
Ooh, dude, that is a nice brass knob.
Mm-hmm.
You were just polishing your shifter rod.
Shifter linkage.
We are nearing the end with the 6 project. Tomorrow, it is planned that we will start reassembly or final assembly of the Revival 6 project. Ooh, look at this. This looks cool. Auerbach went ahead and etched in our name. We don't normally brand our bikes because we feel like the subtlety is a little bit better at times to be subtle about your branding, but this will be the only branding on this side, and the other engine cover, Auerbach managed to get this done, even though it was really thin and they're not. This isn't actually flat. It looks really good.
Thanks.
And then we had the engine dry ice blasted to try to clean it up a bit. We've got the covers off of it because those were chrome. I didn't really like the chrome. They're being powder coated. And then what else are you doing?
Mostly little odds and ends, polishing, metal finish, pulling off warning stickers because we don't really care about those. Right, so just little touches to clean things up and get them ready. Obviously, we took the springs off the Olin's shocks, so we can have those powder coated to match as well.
Let's see. Look over here. The swing arm and the cover. The swing arm's been. You might not remember. We cut this off, capped it, and then polished it. This is the front swing arm, and then the cover for the kind of battery box back of engine area has been that Andy was working on. If you guys saw it last week, it's finished. As you can see, it's very much handmade. That's cool. What else is going on? Ooh, these carbs look great too. They look way better. These were blasted as well, huh?
Yeah, we did the dry ice blasting on those. It's really nice because you don't have to worry about the grit, so just block off some of the passages with tape, and then,
I think we got some film of that, maybe? It's a pretty cool process. Google dry ice blasting, you can find out all you want to see for that. We'll put a link to my favorite dry ice blasting video on YouTube. We'll put it in our thing just to give those guys some props. Okay. Well, tomorrow morning's the day. We'll do like a time lapse and start putting this together, hopefully. Yeah?
Yep.
Anything else to add?
No, I don't think so. It's that time where it's waiting for our parts and doing little things here and there, and then we get to put it together.
It'll go together?
Rush.
I was going to say, we'll spend 1.5 years designing it and then 6 hours putting it together. All right, I'm going to go talk to Andy and see what he's doing. I think he's still working on stuff for this too.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Have fun.
All right, see ya. Let's go talk to Andrew James, motherfucking Dio. Dirty hole! Yay! Yay! How's it going?
It's going all right.
It's kind of messy in here today.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be wearing your respirator. Why aren't you?
Polishing. I'm in between.
I can tell you've been wearing it because your face is clean, but the rest of you is not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm changing wheels right now to go to the next step for polishing this swing arm.
So he's changing the abrasive wheels in the process of polishing. So you saw the other swing arm? You'll see this one's actually nearly done. You're going to final polish.
I'm at the mid step right now. So I'm going from this coarse wheel to this spiral sewn wheel. And then the final step is this loose final wheel.
Right. So you'll see this machine is actually a 3-phase polishing machine that we've put another phase converter on so we can run because we only have single-phase power. But this machine's probably 40, 50 years old, still super strong. What does it run? 3/4 horsepower. at obviously 3-phase. We could have probably changed that internally, but we're being lazy.
RPM depends on the power.
Yeah, 3,600 RPM, 3,000 to 3,600 RPM. Anyway, so it becomes a huge mess. You can see what's on the floor. It just goes everywhere.
Normally
right?
it would happen in that room, but because the swing arms are so long,
you couldn't get in there.
Yeah, so.
We have this kind of sound booth over here that we call the dirty of the dirty holes, where a lot of the polishing happens because it can contain all the stuff. You put a respirator on and you keep all the shit in this room.
The idea is to contain it, but you need to do some.
So today, we're gonna do it out here. Anyway, so yeah, that other swing arm looks great, dude.
Thanks.
I'm really excited about this. Wait, which one's the rear and which one's the front?
This one is the front.
That is the front. The other one's the rear, right? It's funny, they're so similar, I couldn't even tell them apart. Of course, I should know from this.
Yeah, the rear has a larger diameter axle.
Okay. Anyway, it's looking really good. And then titanium here. Oh my God, with the tiniest little file, the tiniest little piece of sandpaper. You're just cleaning up the edges on those welded points. No, I thought this was a machine from Solid.
Yeah, it's machine.
There was some, yeah, you can see.
A little bit of pigment in there.
Yeah. It'll look good.
So those will get polished as soon as he's done with the polish prep.
All right, we're gonna leave you alone. I just wanted to check on it. Final assemblies in the morning. We gonna be ready?
I think so.
All right.
We're focusing on critical parts right now.
Okay. I'm gonna leave you alone.
Thank you.
All right, bye. Let's go talk to the guys. Bye, Ty. Sorry, I forgot to say goodbye to you. Doctor. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Are you surfing Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram, Facebook, MySpace.
And Vimeo and Squarespace. Wait, hold on, I'm getting mixed up. I wanted to talk to you about the Guzzi project, see how it's coming. This one. It looks really good. Do you like how this turned out?
I do.
The hand painted.
Yeah, I needed that.
So with this bike, it was a mild build. We changed a few things, built some custom exhaust. We kind of talked about it before. It's got Olin suspension, different bars, different grips, obviously a custom seat. And this is the factory paint. We removed the factory decals and whatnot and then had this all painted gold and then hand painted the logo.
Incredible hand painting styles. So if you take a look down here, this is the classic Moto Guzzi logo that you've probably seen 100 times, and usually you'll see it as a decal. This one is actually hand painted freehand with a brush and no stencils and no nothing. So a friend of ours, Joe Sweck, who paints signs for a living, came in to do this, and it blows my mind to watch him work because he does a little bit of layout and then it's just like one stroke, and just one by one does that whole thing by hand. I thought about it, it was like, I wonder how long it'd take me to do that. And the reality is, I don't think I'd ever be able to train my hands to do that, but I could probably build a machine to do that in, I don't know, 2 or 3 years. So, way to go, Joe. Looks fantastic.
What's up? What are you working on today? We were trying to do final test rides, but...
Yeah, I just did some shakedown miles. Made sure everything's working properly, there's nothing falling off. Had kind of a weird idle issue that I'm looking into now.
Is it still doing that?
It got better, but it's not fixed. Yeah.
It's oscillating on idle?
Yep.
So fuel injection is awesome, essentially until it's not awesome, and then you start having issues sometimes. This bike has
5,000.
Only 5,000 miles on it. It's maybe, what, 6 or 7 years old? You wouldn't think that you would have. Well, we didn't change anything. We kept the air filter even. All we've done is change the exhaust, which gives slightly less back pressure, but shouldn't change that. So, no fault codes either.
No.
All right.
It's something that it was kind of doing when it came in. So after the exhaust, it's only going to make it worse,
right?
Most likely.
What do you think? What do you think it is right now? What does signs point to?
I don't know. I'm looking at the manual just to see how this
you're
all
researching
works.
on your computer. Okay. All right. Well, I wish you luck, but no fault codes. I was going to say an O2 sensor automatically.
Yeah.
Because that's an idle issue.
Yeah, I don't think it's anything serious.
Okay.
It acts like an air leak, but it's not an air leak.
All right.
So.
Well, good luck. We'll check back in with you to see how it's going. It sure looks cool, but it rode fine, right? No problems with power.
Yeah, it
or
runs
anything.
fine.
Okay. Did it wheelie?
No.
No wheeling. Soon enough.
Yeah.
Soon enough. All right. Well, good luck, and we'll check back in a couple days. All right. Thanks, man.
Mm-hmm.
that's the update for today. It's kind of short. It's a Monday. Things are going around here. Obviously, we're focused on getting the 6 done, so there wasn't as much to tell you guys about. This is coming together. This was a friend in the client's FJ60 that we put the old man Emu lift on, and a new ARB bumper, and a winch, and some other stuff. This is a longer term project for a lucky 16-year-old kid. Maybe, actually, I think he's 15. Anyway, we'll get to this later. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, follow, find us, complain, whatever it is, ask questions. We'll get to those. We're going to try to limit the questions to once a week. Thanks a bunch. Thanks for watching. Bye.